Salimia watu. Waonekane.
Ama mimi ni usiku sana.
Eish.
Unaona? Unaweza kuzuma?
Wait. Ai.
Hakuna mtu hapa sababu. Nisha zoom. So unaiona sasa better?
Wait. Iko wapi?
Ndio hiyo. Na ndio nyingine ya black hapo.
Iko?
Na black hapo. Umeiona? Alafu hiyo ni ya nini?
Mm.
Ndio ya black. Unaona ya black? Hebu fanya hivyo uone kama utazuma.
Ah.
Kanakuja.
Nikuulize yangu iko misioni. Kaoni.
Iko mwisho?
Sikaoni.
Kuja. Ukiwa hapo uone.
I think ndio haka.
Nikaona.
Yes. Naenda pale, twende pale.
Sawa, inaenda sasa.
Kuja tena huko kwa kweli.
Tunaenda kwa street.
Kunayo.
Tunayo tu. Kwa Kiswahili inaitwa ngiri. Japo kitu kana kwanga mbio.
Kawathok. Pumba.
Game View inakuanga na accommodation.
Umeenda kufika? Hujajifunza.
Kaleba ameishia.
So hi guys, we have arrived at Mambo Game View. You can see the scenes are scenic. They're very, very awesome. We've arrived late. We're supposed to be here. We were supposed to be here by 12:01, but we've come at 2:30ish. But no harm. So we're going to give you like a tour of the place and then a tour of our room later. But right now we are going to have lunch. The good thing about this place, they make very fresh food. It's on order basis. I like the kienyeji chicken, which is what we're going to order. It's going to be lunch/dinner for us. I think a whole chicken goes for around, I'm going to confirm and put the rates in the description or on the screen. So we just decided to come for a staycation away from home. It's about 30 minutes from where we stay. And Davey said he's willing to host us before Easter. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. The bandas are just adjacent to the park, which is really awesome. You're able to see animals, which we are hoping we're going to see, but on our way we actually saw some.
Yeah.
We saw an ostrich, we saw buffaloes, we saw warthogs, antelopes. We're hoping that some more come during the evening and we're able to show you that. Yeah, Remy is really excited about seeing hyenas, but she dreads them. So we'll see how that goes. So anyway, we're enjoying this staycation, courtesy of Mambo Game View. And we're going to give you more details as we go by.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the.
Like I said, they offer fresh food. So they have like a small kitchen garden here. I don't know if it's a kitchen. Yeah, it's literally adjacent to the kitchen, so it's a kitchen garden where fresh vegetables grow. And so you are assured of very good food. Here, people like me, millennials and Gen X's are the ones who appreciate fresh food. So there's no junk for Remy today, but you'll have fries, eh?
Yeah.
So come and show you the chicken, the kienyeji chicken they have here. So you get even, I think, to choose the one you want.
Here are some. Some of them. Some of the chickens are here.
Kama hii ni mwera.
Ni nikajogo.
Oh, nikajogo kadogo. Sasa ile kubwa kabisa kama ile huko ndio 2K. Lakini mwisho ni 2K.
2K, mwisho ni 2K. Hii hapa hivi inakaa kama makanga. 17.
Okay, na broiler?
Broiler quarter ni 300. Full. Nafanya times 4 inakuwa 12.
Oh, okay. So inakuwa 12. Hai. Utakula nini?
Si tungekaa. Tunakaa kila mahali iko.
Chakula ikikuja hapa kuna mtu? Unajua aje? Hazina? Nimeanga. There is even a pool for those who like. Aisha, tunaweza saviwa huko kwenye tuko? Okay.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Kuna mtu kule? Onyesha zinakuanga double. Hapo kuna hiyo ya binoculars. Sijui by the way. So these bandas have binoculars. When you come, seeing that you're just next to the park, you can actually just watch from can watch animals from your banda here as you eat. You can see there's a relaxing station here. It's quite nice. They're made of makuti and wood and steel as the roof. I like it. Do you love it here?
Yeah.
It's a really nice option for a staycation other than a hotel. You connect with nature. You're able to see Lake Nakuru. Yeah, it's just awesome. You can see the park. Let me see. You can see there's a water hole. So I don't know if you can see. There's a water hole right there, where animals usually come to drink water or quench their thirst. And I think maybe sometime later they might, but because it's the wet season, so there are quite a number of water holes actually. There's another one there. Yeah, there you go. So most of the wildlife use these water holes as their quenching spots, and there are quite a number. I think from here we can see about 4. So
Even this one?
no, that one is a pothole. It's on the road. It's just water that has formed on the road. So water holes are usually circle and they're deeper.
Oh,
Yeah.
like that one?
Yes. So yeah, they'll probably come. We hope that they come so that we show you a few animals. But even if they don't, you can be guaranteed that when you stay here or even just make a visit, you don't necessarily have to spend the night, but it would be nice if you spent even the evening to see how the evening looks like, which we are going to show you, right? Yeah, we're going to show you right now. We are in one of the bandas. Oops. Good thing about connecting with nature is that animals and creatures and insects are all over the place. So anyway, no harm with that. So we are going to go to our banda, if I may call it, where we are staying and feeding from. So let me show you where it's located. So that's the one right there. So exterior is mabati or steel. There are external washrooms or other outdoor washrooms, and the bandas are self-contained where we are staying. There are 6 in total, and we are staying in one of them, which is raised. It's one of the unique ones. I think it's the only one, or maybe 1 out of 2 that are set up like that. We're going to show you what I mean. It's raised. It's similar to the bandas we've shown you where you sit, but this one now has accommodation. Yeah, so we're going to give you a quick banda tour or room tour. I'll also show. Remy says she wants to show you the pool, but currently it's under the water is being treated, so unfortunately there's no swimming. But this is a really nice spot, even for bringing your family and kids during the weekend. Chanel, as Remy has swum before, I'll insert clips of how it looks when it's actually clean. Yeah. And there's a trampoline there where you can play. There are two. There are swings also that we saw. You'll swing also. So you can see the park from here. So from any angle of this place you see the park, which is awesome. All right, so now let's go to our room.
But we do it for, you count to 30 or 20.
Okay.
You let the other person.
You go down the stairs. That is exercise. So from the gate, from where we've come from, there you enter, and that's why I'm saying this place is quite unique from the other accommodation places we've seen. So once you come in, you can either lounge here. Of course, they'll clean it up for you. There's a desk and a seat, but we're going to stay upstairs, of course, because of the sceneries. So what happens is it's connected, I think, to another one. Oh, it's connected to the gate. Now this gate leads outside. I think they'll make more of this. So this is where we're staying. Looks awesome, right? So yeah, this is our banda. It's actually what do they call it? A story banda. So below it there's nothing. So on top of there, Remy. Yeah. There is Remy saying hi to us.
Hi.
Hi.
This is.
We can't see you. We can't hear. So
It's our staycation.
let's go in. I show you. I think next. Oh, there's another. I think this is Davy's office actually. I usually see him come here, but I doubt he's there. So let's go in. The stairs. You need to be careful. You don't need to. If you're going to take some wine, you be careful as you walk up. Yeah. And here we are. I love the fact that you can just see the park from here. So as you enter, you're welcomed by this nice Maasai shuka. I love it. That's the curtain. Then I hope the lighting will do justice. There's like a nice lounge seat that welcomes you. It's actually big enough. You can see Remy can fit nicely. Actually, I'll chill there when reading my book in the evening. Awesome. And there's a sort of like a wardrobe here for your clothes, for your luggage. There's a bedside table. I love the design. And then there's a table here with very nice table mats and the remote because there's a TV. There's a nice bed. This is I think enough for one adult, one child. This is enough for one adult and one child. I think if you're coming as a couple, you might want to consider maybe the other option of rooms, or tell them in advance so that they give you bigger beds. This is the small TV there for your entertainment if you need, but I believe when you're coming in a place like this, really you've come to connect with nature. So basically it's spacious enough. There's even a study desk here. You can sit and watch. You can sit and do your thing if you have a laptop, or you've come to work, or you just want to read or do something. There's a mirror here at the entrance of the washroom. There's a small sink there with a mirror as you enter. It's a very, very nice insulated washroom. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. It's quite awesome actually. The floor is It's marble or whatever. I think these are rocks. It's quite spacious. So it's both a toilet and a washroom. It has a shower, a rain head shower. If you want to shower, you tell them so that they can turn on the heater. Ooh, do that again so that we actually see what happened. So the windows here are quite modern. They're sliding windows. Wow. Let me show you from outside. It's quite interesting. I hadn't seen that. So close and open for us. So when you're outside, these are the windows and they're sliding.
Hi.
Awesome. So they let the air in if you need. Yeah, it's quite a nice cozy place. We're gonna chill here for a minute and play cards. We carried our own cards. It's called Think Cards for breaking the ice. These are good for groupies, but they're cards anyway, so Remy and I will play. Yeah, and that's about it. I love the views from here as well. So we'll eat from here because our banda is similar to the rest of the bandas for where people are being served from. So yeah, where people chill and be served from. So because we have this outdoor patio option, we'll just sit here. We just thought it's better to sit here so that if it starts raining, it's easy to grab our stuff from the room.
Yeah, and there's a bulb.
Yeah, actually there's lighting everywhere. So there's lighting outdoors and there's enough lighting indoors. Yeah, and there's a charging port and there's Wi-Fi, which we are going to turn on and then ask for the password later. Oh, there's another small window here. Let's see where it leads to. Come and show us where it leads to. It reminds me of my shags up country. We have windows like this for the kitchen. So that's nice. It leads to, it shows you the swimming pool. Not sure if you're able to see. So if people are swimming and you're staying here, you're actually able to see them. That's cool. But we'll keep that shut for now.
And
yeah,
I saw something that can surprise you. A very nice art.
Yeah, there's a nice piece of art there. Awesome. I like the fact that they've modernized but also kept it very vintage. You feel like you've come somewhere different, so it's not hotel-like, but still it serves every purpose that you would like. Awesome.
I wonder how they know our size for this.
We told them. We told them I'm coming with my daughter.
Oh.
So they put the small ones
And
and the big ones. So here you have to give them information of who you're coming with. There's a hanger there for your clothes. You can actually hang later. Yeah, awesome.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Beautiful. Nafaa, lakini ukipata ile ingine unafaa kuona. Bugs, Mama. They're called water bugs. They're not antelopes. They're water bugs. So, guys are coming for a game drive. Remember, we are literally next to Lake Nakuru National Park. You can see the fence is right there. So Mambo Game View is just the best place if you're not headed to the park, but you want to see wildlife. You can see you can just watch the animal right from your banda.
Yeah,
You're enjoying?
very much. This is a 5-star view hotel.
Yeah, it's a 5-star view game park. Game park banda.
Yeah.
See now the tourists there, they have stopped to see something. Probably there's a lion there. That's why they've stopped. I would even love to see a lion hunting. Live.
Yeah.
Right?
Together with the hyena.
You just want to see a hyena.
Yup. Guys, today we are going to be sleeping with
In the wild.
waterbucks,
We're going to sleep in the wild.
hedgehogs,
Do you want us to go there and watch and nini? But there's no difference. The entire of this line has bandas like ours, but now ours is unique because it has accommodation.
Yeah, and ours is.
You can see the
bigger
accommodation
than the
is right
others.
there, and we are just right here.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you see there's a small.
Yeah. Careful not to fall the phone.
Yeah. They've gone.
They're hunting. No, they're not hunting. They're
I
feeding.
think
They're
those
grazing.
are
It's called grazing.
lions.
Which ones?
They're over there.
Yeah, it could be. You know, they usually just wait. And then they attack. I don't know if people can see. But that was nice. Let's wait for another set of animals to come.
Yeah. There. Puss puss. Hey, these birds are beautiful.
So we've decided to take an evening stroll and see how the place looks after the rains. We played some games as you saw, and Chanel has refused to watch where she's walking. Do this. So there are some kids playing on the trampoline. There's a warthog that we've seen. Let me show you. Let me show you. It's right over there. I don't know if you can see, guys. Not so sure if you can see, but there's a warthog.
That is a warthog.
There's a warthog that's eating some grass. So don't step on the water. You see, you're still not looking. Just jump. Let's go this way. How would we go straight?
Yeah.
So this place is really nice. It's very scenic. I like the fact that all year round, even when it's really super sunny, they've really maintained the greenery. I think they preserve water, or they collect water like rainwater, and then they use it during the sunny days, because it's always very green, even regardless of when we come. Yeah, so the outdoor sitting areas like that next to the park, which is really nice. It's shaded. Yeah, so we want to stroll and then maybe take a cup of hot chocolate, right?
Yeah. Hot chocolate it is.
Okay, you're feeling warm?
Yeah, very warm.
Yeah, so when you're coming, depending on the weather, you have to carry suitable clothes for the season, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like for this season,
Mm-hmm.
they're supposed to be warm.
Accommodation is 1,500 only. Let's go up here. We see if we are going to see anything. Oh, here's the warthog up close, guys. Here it is. I'm sure you can see it now. It's right there. It's eating. Don't know if you'll see with this. Let me switch to my phone so that we see if we can see it. So there are sitting areas, different types of sitting areas. So this is like a makuti setup. When it's bright and sunny, it's a nice place to sit and just chill. You can see it can host, I think, up to about 6 guys comfortably. Right now I can only see 3 chairs.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Sasa nayo.
Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Na unasikia kiguruma?
Turns to sun rays. And on
Unasikia lion ikiguruma?
we'll go.